Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Unhinged. Man's unexpected roadway encounter turns violent in seconds.
7th, 2025, in the town of Campbell, Wisconsin, deputies with the La Crosse County Sheriff's Office responded after receiving multiple reports about a man and his belongings being positioned dangerously close to the roadway, causing traffic to slow and raising concerns for his safety.
Chris. Thanks. Chris. What's going on?
What the fuck?
What?
I'm calling you guys for harassment. Get the away from me.
Okay, well,
Right the down.
Chris.
You stupid motherfuckers.
Well,
Don't get it, do ya?
This is the sheriff's
Get the
office.
fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. This is the 5th time I've had you.
Do you guys want to be part of the SLIV fam? Do you want to see videos that won't make it to the light of day on my public page? If so, become a member where I'll be uploading 4 exclusive videos for you guys every single week. So what are you waiting for? Click the memberships tab right now and join SLIV, baby. Yeah! You can find a link in my descriptions as well.
You guys here in the last 2 hours.
Is he Irish?
Get the fuck out of here. Fuck you motherfucker.
Dude, you're not.
Get the fuck out of here.
You're not in any trouble right
Get
now.
the fuck out of here. I don't need your fucking help. I've been here. Get the fuck out of here. You guys are harassing the fuck out of me.
Chris, I've
Get the fuck out of here.
dealt with you plenty
Get
of
the
time.
fuck out of here. Leave me the fuck alone.
Okay. The biggest
Go out of here.
thing is pick up your stuff and keep moving.
Get the fuck out of here. You stupid motherfucker.
I guess if we just move his.
Fuck you. Don't touch my shit.
Chris, can we at least just move the bike so it's in the grass? Is that okay?
Good, baby. You guys are gonna cause an accident, you dumb fucks.
Chris, this isn't.
Get away from me.
You've had issues with.
Come on now, bro. If your bike is in the roadway, you got to get that shit out. It got all that grass and you want to be an a-hole. Come on now, bro.
The town of Campbell, right?
Get the fuck away from me. They're getting rolled up too for fucking harassment.
Okay. That's
Who are
totally.
you guys?
Chris, the last time I.
You, because I've told you guys already. Do not come by me today. Bother me.
When did you talk to us?
All day fucking long.
Today?
The city, Chris, not the
Oh, so now
county.
they're changing over to you guys. Well, I'm telling you, get the fuck away from me. So now I'm gonna write the city up. Then I'm gonna write the sheriff's up. Then who's next? I'm gonna write
You can write.
y'all up. And obviously the city knows how to just change it over to you guys. So get the fuck away from me. That's harassment. There ain't no fucking harassment I've ever seen in my life. Get the fuck away from me.
Can we at least move your property so it's on the grass?
On my property. It can be right there. It's right on state property. You.
It's in the roadway.
Can a man just sleep in the grass in public without being bothered?
It is. Leave my shit alone.
We're just gonna keep getting calls on you, Chris, if we don't move it.
Don't touch my shit. Go back in your car and do something like you should be doing. Work. Away from me.
It's the information.
Chris, all we're asking is politely just get your stuff out of the road.
I asked dispatch for his return. He just didn't say anything.
I didn't hear you go through.
How do he not feel his booty crack out with the wind hitting it? That bothers me.
108, go ahead. 10-4.
I guess if they keep getting called.
Boy, if you don't get up, y'all ain't going to jail.
Chris, all we're asking is politely just get your stuff out of the road.
I asked dispatch for his return. He just didn't say anything.
I didn't hear you go through.
108, go ahead. 10-4.
I guess if they keep getting calls, then you have to do something, but I'm not going to push an issue with them and have a full-on fight and taser appointment.
Oh, I would be annoyed too now. Come on now, bro. Your bike was not made to be right there. Yeah, we would have had an
Has
issue.
the city really been out with him a few times today?
I haven't heard anything. I've been so freaking busy.
Alright, whatever. I'm sure we're just gonna keep getting calls, but
Right. Just tell dispatch that he's unwilling to move
yeah.
his bike out of the road and it's unsheltered. Chris, get your stuff out of the road.
Approximately 30 minutes later, deputies once again made contact with Chris due to his unwillingness to remove himself from the roadway.
Hey, Chris.
How hard is it just to scoot that shit over there by the brush right there? I don't understand.
Get the fuck away from me, you dumb motherfucker.
Okay, you need to leave the area.
Stupid motherfucker. I don't have to leave.
You do. You're in the safety area of a roadway. You can't be right in the roadways.
Fuck you. How about that? And fuck you.
Hey, Chris.
Get the fuck away from me right now, you stupid motherfucker. Right now, get the fuck away from me.
All we need is you to just stay off the roadway. That's
All
it.
I want from you guys is the fucking paperwork to write you fuckers up for harassment. That's what I want from you, stupid motherfucker.
Chris, this isn't.
You're obstructing the roadway, jackass. What do you think is gonna happen? They're gonna keep coming out until you move, Brody.
What have
harassment.
I told you? All fucking day I've been harassed by you motherfuckers.
You can't be right next to the road.
Don't destroy your only means of transportation now because you throwing a bitch fit.
Get down. Taser. Down.
Oh shit.
125. One thing. Get on the ground now. You got it.
Get down on the ground, Chris.
I think you'll like jail a little bit better because you get to sleep in the cell. Nobody's bothering you.
Get on the ground. Face first. Keep the taser on the Get on the ground. Face
I
first.
didn't even get nothing.
Get on the face.
Get on the
Face
ground.
first.
What did I do?
You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
For being an asshole.
Put my shit on
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct. Put your hands behind your back
Put your
now.
hands behind your back.
Ow! Ow! You fucking asshole!
Get your hand behind your
You're
back.
a fucking asshole!
Get your hand behind your back.
Ow! Ow!
Get your hand behind your back.
At least in prison, he'll be able to take a shower.
It is! God damn it!
My cuffs are f***ed up.
God damn it!
Just relax, breathe, okay? We'll get you help in just a minute.
God
I want you to cooperate. Okay, you're under arrest. Stay on the ground.
Wrong.
Stay on the ground. You're under arrest. Just relax. You're under arrest, okay?
Fuck you, I'm under arrest. Let me out, please.
125 or
Will you
1095.
let me out? Let me the fuck up, please.
Okay. You gonna cooperate?
Hey, you're a fucking asshole.
You're under arrest.
Why do you kick me like that when I'm on the fucking ground? Why do you kick me? Huh?
Here,
Are you
let's get
injured
you.
at all, Chris?
Yes, I am. My fucking ribs fucking hurt and my fucking hand hurt.
Okay.
From when you fucking shot me and you couldn't hit me, you
Get gloves
fucking
on.
prick.
Get gloves on.
Fucking asshole. You're a fucking bitch, man. I was doing nothing fucking wrong. This is what you guys waited for all day,
You
wasn't it?
don't get to pick a tire up and charge at law
I
enforcement.
wasn't fucking charging at law enforcement. The fuck I
But
was.
we're not gonna argue about.
Oh, yes, she was. Come on now. We got to call a spade a spade. You did that dumb shit. You fucked around and found out.
That's why you're under
That's
arrest.
all-
That's why we
that's
did
it,
what we
that's
did,
all.
And that's why you're under arrest. That's all we're explaining about it. Okay.
Fuck you. Yeah, I'm gonna
Chris,
get
do you
guys
have
for a
anything
fucking-
on you?
Huh?
Do you have anything
Who
that's
gives a
sharp?
fuck if I do or not? Yeah, I'm already bleeding, so who gives a fuck?
Tri-state.
Do you have AIDS?
Or should we just transport them ourselves?
Yeah, why don't you transport him yourself, you fucking pieces of shit?
Do you still have any probes in? Do you have probes anywhere? Chris, do you have a probe anywhere in you still?
I don't fucking know. I don't have no fucking needles on me. I don't have nothing. So
We didn't say nothing about no damn needles. You already telling on yourself.
fuck you. I don't have no dope. I don't have shit. So fuck you. That's what you're fucking hoping for, you fucking cocksucker. Both of you fuckers who can't hit shit. Two of you motherfuckers
just wanna
can't even
stop
hit me
off
with
for
a fucking taser. Either one of you. You guys are fucking garbage shots. They're fucking 5 foot.
Chris, stop.
Fuck you. I'm bleeding like a motherfucker too. Out of my fucking thumb.
Mr. Putty Mouth. Jesus Christ, bro. Slow down.
God,
You're going to have a heart attack.
kick you in the fucking face.
We're gonna get you set up, okay?
Sit up.
You. Fuck you.
Relax.
Fuck you.
Alright.
You.
He is pissed.
Take sheriff's office.
Can we
Yeah.
help you up?
You.
Can we help you up?
Yeah, when you take off my fucking cuffs.
Nope, you're not going out of cuffs.
You're a
You're-
fucking bitch. You're both bitches.
Stand
Come on,
up.
give me up there.
You gotta push. You gotta help us.
Fuck.
Stand
Put
up,
your,
Chris.
put your
Come
feet.
on.
See, yeah, that's why I couldn't be a cop because I would have been like, well, stand up, B-word.
Let's
You
go.
gotta help us.
How the fuck did I want to do
Let
it
you like
like that?
that. Step up to my car.
Please pull up his pants.
You're a fucking bitch, dude. You're a fucking
Just relax.
bitch. Hey, this cop's a fucking bitch. Yeah, you get me for what?
Which hospital do you want to go to?
Huh?
Which hospital do you want to go to?
St. Francis?
Okay.
Bitches. Take off my fucking cuffs too. They're out way too fucking tight.
We'll check them in just a minute.
You fucking bitch. Hey, you see this fucking bitch what he did?
Separate feet for me.
See this?
How you going to get mad because you not doing what the officers tell you to do? All you got to do is just move that shit off.
Bitch what he did to me? Huh?
All right, let's go take a seat in
Hope
the
you
car.
got it on tape. You're a fucking stupid motherfuckers. fucking all day. That's why you guys just waited this fucking, and that's why you guys sent the sheriff's office.
We just wanted you to move
You,
along, Chris.
you. I don't need to move along. That's one thing you guys don't get. I'm on state fucking property. What you guys did was wrong.
You're in the safety area of a roadway. You can't be there.
Exactly. He could have stayed right there if he would have just moved his shit over to the other side.
I can be there all fucking day.
Yeah.
You guys don't know your fucking laws, do you, stupid fuck?
Okay.
Now take out these cuffs and loosen them up. My fucking hand is purple.
I gotta check his cuffs.
You dumb motherfuckers. Hurry the fuck up.
Step out then. I gotta fix your cuffs.
Oh shit! I've already asked you to 3 times. God damn it!
Proper.
They not made for comfort.
It is proper, my ass. I can't even move my shit because you got it locked so tight after you fucking need me in the fucking side and jumped on me, you fucking bitch.
Well, you shouldn't have came charging that officer. That was just really dumb on your part.
I bet you one-on-one outside of this you couldn't take me. I guarantee you that. Fucking asshole. For doing nothing wrong but sitting on the side of the fucking road that's state fucking property. I can do whatever the fuck I want on state property.
Go ahead and take a seat for me.
Man, this fucking cuff is fucking not loose. The fuck it is. You're a fucking real bitch.
I bet he's just a wonderful delight to deal with on a day-to-day basis.
For sitting on the fucking side of the fucking road. That's what you're gonna try to arrest me for because La Crosse County can't do nothing. The fucking Campbell can't, so they send you bitches in, don't they?
Yeah,
Two fucks that can't even hit me with a fucking taser. Neither one of them 5 fucking yards away can hit me with a taser.
Look my way.
That's a fucking joke. What a couple of fucking pansies, huh? 5 foot away.
Somebody is clearly intoxicated.
Chris was transported to the hospital where he was medically cleared before being taken to the La Crosse County Jail for booking.
Let's see what he got to say after this.
Is it okay to take pictures of your injuries?
Huh?
Can I take some photographs of your injuries?
I don't give a fuck whatever you want to
Okay.
do.
Let me go here. Stay standing and just face the wall for me, okay?
Look, he sound like he in a better mood now that he in a place where he get to have some meals and sleep at.
Might want to go through your little record book for your house or the picture album?
What's that? I'm sorry?
Want to go through the picture album at your house or what?
Nope, they just go in the file. Let's get some overall ones, okay? Alright.
That's going in your case file, buddy.
Right up there, report. But I gotta ask you something first.
I'm pretty good at writing reports.
Yeah, about it. But disorderly conduct. And then after the fact, after the disorderly conduct is after you gave me a fucking charging a police officer. Make sure you put that in there fucking right. So it's right for the fucking courts when I go take you to court on it.
That's fine. It's determined that we can charge you with that.
Yeah, disorderly conduct.
So
You're a fucking real punk, dude. Can't fucking stop, can't drive, can't fucking shoot. That's for damn fucking sure. Give me that position. Let me fucking shoot at you once. Shit. 1 out of fucking 2. Think would have hit me. Neither one of you two don't fucking hit me a fucking 5 foot away. Holy fuck.
He's mad as fuck.
Punk, little pussy ass fucking servant, public servant, public fucking servant's all you are.
Chris was charged with battery or threat to a law enforcement officer, bail jumping, resisting or obstructing an officer, and disorderly conduct. However, all the charges were dismissed on the prosecutor's motion. If you enjoyed this video,
I bet that's nice. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. What did you guys think about this situation? Simple instructions, reading and comprehension. All it took was you to move your shit off the street and you could have laid there for as long as you wanted, however long you wanted. But the fact that multiple agencies got called on your behalf, you knew that was going to come make you get up at some point in time. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I just felt like that was downright stupid. But he's homeless. Maybe that was just his way of, going to jail. Because, people do that shit when they ain't got nowhere to stay. They get to stay in the county. You know what I'm saying? It ain't the best place, but they got air conditioning. But that's it, baby. We out. Oh, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.